Today I would like to explain about the human heart and how many chambers are present in the human heart and how many blood vessels are connected to the human heart. So the totally 4 chambers are present. The 2 upper chambers are called auricles and the 2 lower chambers are called ventricles, and 4 types of blood vessels are connected to the human heart. Among them, the first biggest blood vessel is called systematic aorta. It has been developed from the left ventricle, and this is a pulmonary vein. It arises from the left auricle, and this is the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery has been developed from the right ventricle, and this is the vena cava. Superior and inferior vena cava both are arised from the right auricle. And come to the valves. 2 types of valves are present in the human heart. So the bicuspid or mitral valve, it is present in between the left auricle and left ventricle, and this is the tricuspid valve. It is present in between the right auricle and right ventricle. The main duty of the valves is that the valves allows the blood from the auricles to ventricles, not from the ventricles to auricles.